install smarter, faster, and with confidence. Introducing the Fortress Power NV-True 12 kilowatt, the all-in-one inverter system engineered with installers in mind. With built-in AC and DC breakers, a 200A, AC pass-through, and 3 MPPTs supporting up to 21 kilowatts per volt, the NV-True 12 kilowatt streamlines installation and maximizes performance. Save time on site. The integrated AP Smart Rapid Shutdown Transmitter, generator port, and IP65 rated housing make indoor or outdoor installs a breeze. Need scalability? Parallel up to 10 units with combined AC-DC coupling, 120 by 20 volts or 208 volt three-phase support, and remote monitoring via app or local LCD touchscreen. You're in control, whether on-site or off, with real-time diagnostics and batch setting configuration tools. From rapid commissioning to rock-solid performance, the NV-True 12 kilowatt is your next go-to solution. Fortress Power, built for pros like you. Visit our installer portal for specifications, guides, and support.